We would adopt the recommendations in that probation violation. As part of the plea, we would dismiss the pending circuit court file.
What does Mr. Postman want to do?
He wants to plead to the probation violation.
Raise your right hand.
Yes, sir.
You were placed on probation to this court for aggravated stalking in violation of Michigan state law when you stalked Connie Reed. You understand the allegations contained in count 1.
Yes, sir.
And that you also, in count 2, that you violated term 4.5, that you must not have any verbal, written, electronic, or physical contact with Connie Reed, either directly or to another person, and you must not be within 500 feet of the residence that you had contact and was within 500 feet. You understand the allegations contained in count 2.
Yes, sir.
All right, in exchange for your plea to those 2 counts, you have a sentencing agreement that you be sentenced to 23 months on the minimum to a maximum of 5 years with the Michigan Department of Corrections with 493 days of credit. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You sent another letter to her recently, and they're not going to charge you for that. You understand that?
Yes.
David, how do you wish to plead in the probation violation case?
Yes, sir.
Did you engage in stalking contact with Ms. Reed again?
Yes, sir.
On that date, were you within 500 feet of her?
Yes, sir.
Did you communicate with her either in writing or verbally?
Yes, sir.
Right, which was it?
Verbally.
Okay, and you knew that she didn't want to talk to you, right?
Yes, yes.
And you knew that there was a personal protection order in place,
Yes, sir, I did.
and you knew that you were violating your probation when you did that.
Yes, sir.
You knew that you were violating the criminal law when you did that.
Yes, sir.
You violated that because you went to her residence, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And you talked to her. And does the parties wish to proceed to sentencing today?
We would, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Wahlberg, does Ms. Reed wish to address the court before sentencing?
Let me ask you.
All right, you're Ms. Reed, correct? Okay,
Yes.
now's your opportunity to tell me what you think I should know before I sentence Mr. Postma again.
We stood here before, and he's not done, and I don't feel that he will be done. He was just sent somebody from jail, as you know, to my house just ago. And even if you're late, when he gets out again, I don't think he's done. Not if he's even sending somebody to my house. And you were lenient before, and are asking to think twice about being lenient to him this time, because I don't feel safe as long as he's out.
You said that I've been lenient. I've been following the plea agreements.
I know,
I
I know.
don't think I've been lenient with him. I've done the most I can every time I've had the chance.
I know. I didn't mean it like that. I'm just saying, I just don't think he's done.
Okay. You've been in contact with the prosecutor's office.
Yeah, they've done, everybody's been great. Everybody's been done great. I'm just asking before you plea him, just before you sentence him, just to think about how many times he's came over and been given a chance, and he still comes over.
I would ask the court to go along with the agreement, and hopefully when Mr. Postman gets out of jail, he will learn that it's hard to accept. And it sounds to me like she don't want anything to do with him, and I told him that. He keeps hoping that there's some hope.
Going through a hard time, didn't have myself. I really thought there was a feeling that, I mean, it's nothing wrong. I admit it, and I'm very sorry. I'm wasting everybody's time.
That's not what you should be sorry for. You should be sorry for torturing this poor lady.
Well, that's you. I really am. I didn't know I was torturing her.
That's the problem with guys like you, the stalkers, is that you don't see the world the way everybody else sees it.
I understand it.
Well, it's my turn to talk. Now, if a personal protection order isn't enough information or enough sign that she didn't want anything to do with you, then you should have got the picture then. Criminal charges for stalking, you should have got the picture then. Other violations, should have got the picture then. These charges, should have got the picture then. A new case. Well, this case isn't pending. You're sending somebody to her house. That is all the indications to me that you're not done. I'm gonna send you to prison for the minimum sentence that the plea agreement allows for me. I hope they don't give you parole. I hope they keep you until you serve the maximum, because you've done nothing to demonstrate that you truly understand that she wants to have nothing to do with it.
Well, I swear to you, I do.
You've tried the alcohol as an excuse. You've tried the divorce as an excuse. I hope they keep you in prison for as long as they possibly can, because I have no faith that you're going to leave her alone when you get out. The court's going to exercise my discretion, sentence in excess of the advisory guidelines in this case. The reason for doing that is, number one, Mr. Postman's conduct in continuing stalking Ms. Reed justifies an upward departure. Two, as part of the plea agreement in this case, that he could get up to 23 months in prison. So for all those reasons, I think an upward departure is appropriate in this case. It would be the sentence in the court that this defendant served a minimum sentence of 23 months on the minimum to a maximum of 5 years with the Michigan Department of Corrections.